Preparations are underway for the return to Ireland of Daniel Kinahan, one of the leaders of the Kinahan Organised Crime Group, after he lost his final appeal against his extradition from Dubai. The Irish Prison Service has purchased a new bomb-proof and bulletproof escort van used for high-risk inmates ahead of his arrival, which is expected within the next 6 weeks.
Daniel Kinahan could have consented to his extradition from the United Arab Emirates, but instead he fought it for the past 3 months, a fight he has now lost. One of the leaders of the Kinahan Organised Crime Group, he portrayed himself in Dubai as a successful businessman and boxing promoter, and thought he had successfully sports-washed his reputation when Tyson Fury thanked him publicly for arranging a world title fight with Anthony Joshua.
Getting off the phone with Daniel Kinahan, the biggest fight in British boxing history, has just been agreed.
However, things started to go wrong when Gardaí put together a coalition of international law enforcement, and he, along with his father and brother, were sanctioned by the US authorities.
A reward of up to $5 million.
Kinahan was then arrested in Dubai on the 17th of April last as part of a bilateral agreement between Ireland and the United Arab Emirates signed last year. He has been detained there since. The 48-year-old is wanted here to face a charge of directing the activities of a criminal gang and is due to be tried before the Special Criminal Court. Kinahan lost 2 appeals against extradition in Dubai and is expected to be escorted back to Ireland the same way his right-hand man, Sean McGovern, was in May of last year. Daniel Kinahan is expected back in Ireland within the next 6 weeks, but senior Gardaí, government and Defence Forces personnel believe he could be back before the Special Criminal Court as early as next month. The prison service has now also bought a specially modified bomb and bulletproof van in advance of Daniel Kinahan's arrival for escorting high-risk, high-security inmates, organised crime figures and terrorists. Paul Reynolds, RTE News, Garda Headquarters, Dublin.